Hey there! So you're a student, right? And you probably dread the thought of carrying around a bulky graphing calculator. Well, I've got some awesome news for you. Today I'm going to show you the best alternatives to your traditional graphing calculator that will make your life so much easier. First up, let's talk about apps. If you have a smartphone, you're already halfway there. One of the best apps out there is Desmos. It's completely free and incredibly user-friendly. You can graph functions, plot data, and even explore transformations. The interface is smooth and intuitive, making it perfect for quick calculations during class or homework sessions. Then there's GeoGebra. This app is a powerhouse. Not only can it handle graphing, but it also does geometry, algebra, spreadsheets, you name it. It's like having a mini math lab in your pocket. Plus, it's free. Now, if you're looking for something that closely mimics a physical graphing calculator, check out the TI-84 Plus CE app. It's designed by Texas Instruments, so you know it's legit. It might cost a few bucks, but it's worth it if you prefer the traditional calculator layout and functions. Alright, let's move on to online tools. Websites like Wolfram Alpha can be lifesavers. This site isn't just a graphing tool, it's a computational engine. You can type in complex equations and it will not only solve them but also show you step-by-step solutions. Perfect for those tricky homework problems. Lastly, for those who prefer a physical device but want something more versatile, consider getting a tablet with a stylus. Devices like the iPad with Apple Pencil can run all the apps I mentioned earlier and even more. Plus, you can use it for note-taking, reading, and other school tasks. It's an all-in-one solution that could replace multiple gadgets in your backpack. So there you have it. Ditch that old graphing calculator and try out these alternatives. They'll not only lighten your load, but also enhance your learning experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Desmos is particularly great for visual learners. The app allows you to see the graphs in real time as you input different functions, making it easier to understand complex concepts. GeoGebra, on the other hand, is perfect for those who need a more comprehensive tool. It's not just for graphing, you can explore geometry, algebra, and even calculus. The TI-84 Plus CE app is a fantastic option for those who are already familiar with the physical calculator. It offers the same functionalities, so there's no learning curve. Wolfram Alpha is a game changer for solving complex equations. It's like having a tutor available 24/7. You can even use it to check your homework answers. And let's not forget the versatility of a tablet with a stylus. You can switch between different apps seamlessly, making it a powerful tool for any student. Imagine having all these tools in one device. It's a great way to stay organized and efficient, especially when you have a busy schedule. With these alternatives, you'll not only save space in your backpack but also feel more confident tackling your math problems. So, what are you waiting for? Give these alternatives a try and see how they can transform your learning experience. Remember, the right tools can make all the difference. Happy learning! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips